A very good morning to everyone. So today is 16th May 2023 and the day is Tuesday और सभी लखनऊ वालों के लिए दूसरा बड़ा मंगल का दिन. So पहले आज शुरू कर देते हैं करंट अफेयर के साथ. Number 1 is in which country Asia Kabaddi Championship will be held recently? The answer is South Korea. Number 2 is which state has recently become the first to implement the right to walk? The answer is Punjab. Moving to number 3, which country's great footballer Antonio Carvajal has passed away? The answer is Mexico. Number 4 is who has recently replaced Bharat Pay as the global sponsor of ICC? The answer is MasterCard. Number 5 is who has recently launched the Poshan Bhi Padhai Bhi campaign? The answer is Smriti Irani. Moving to number 6, which state CM has inaugurated the Sea Harrier Museum? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Number 7 is which bank has recently launched RuPay credit card for self-employed customers? The answer is AU Small Finance Bank, and here AU stands for Action Urgency. Number 8 is which cricketer became the first GT batter to score 1000 runs in IPL? And the answer is Shubman Gill, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में छाए भी हुए हैं. Moving to number 9, who is the godfather of poker, passes away at 89? The answer is Doyle Brunson. Number 10 is name the world's oldest dog. The answer is Bobby, and Bobby is time 31 years के हैं. Now moving to number 11, how many rules of cricket are announced by ICC? The answer is 3. Which state to get world's largest refinery complex? The answer is Maharashtra. Moving to number 13, which state or union territory gets India's first Indian Air Force IAF Heritage Center? The answer is Chandigarh. Number 14 is who defeated Jan-Lennard Struve to win Madrid Open Tennis Trophy 2023? The answer is Carlos Alcaraz. Number 15 is which organization has introduced the legal entity identifier system? The answer is SEBI. और अभी थोड़ा सा legal entity identifier के बारे में बताऊंगी. ये basically it is a unique global identifier for legal entities participating in financial transactions. Number 16 is which state is approved to set up its first pharma park in Lalitpur district? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. And number 17 is which state becomes India's second state after Bihar to conduct the backward class survey recently? The answer is Odisha. And the last current affair for the day is with whom Ministry of Ayush has tied up to promote integrated health research? The answer is ICMR. और ICMR के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताऊंगी मैं यहाँ पर कि ICMR stands for Indian Council of Medical Research, and it is a primary agency which is responsible for the development, organization and encouragement of biomedical research in India. अच्छा, बात करें अगर यहाँ पर कार्लोस एल्कराज की, तो ये बेसिकली एक स्पेनिश प्रोफेशनल टेनिस प्लेयर हैं. इसके अलावा मुझे पिछले वीडियो की तरह जो भी न्यूज़ थोड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट लगी हैं उसकी डिटेल्स मैंने यहाँ पर मेंशन कर दी है, तो आप आराम से इसे देख लीजिएगा. अदर दिन करंट अफेयर्स, आज जो एक टर्मिनोलॉजी लेकर आई हूँ या ये बोलो कमीशन या कमिटीज़ लाई हूँ, ये इंपॉर्टेंट कमीशंस एंड कमिटीज़ हैं, तो आप इसे देख लीजिएगा. और कोई डाउट्स हो तो कमेंट सेक्शंस आर ओपन, आप अपने डाउट्स रख सकते हैं. और कमेंट सेक्शन में नहीं रखना चाहते हैं तो देन मेल मी एट nivchats96@gmail.com. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.